Hi there, this is another great screencast from WordChamps.tv. Today I want to show you how to copy content from your Microsoft Word document into your WordPress.com website. So your Microsoft Word document might look something like this. Has a heading 1 in a larger font size, color, and I've got 3 paragraphs. There's paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, and in paragraph 2 I've bolded some text. So I've kept the formatting fairly simple, which is how you should be keeping it fairly simple in order to copy and paste into your website for best results. So now let's go back to the website, and I'm going to start on my dashboard. So you should be logged in to your WordChamps.com, or not your WordChamps, but your WordPress.com website, and you should be on your dashboard to start. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to find the page that I want to edit. And those are under Pages. So if you scroll down on the left hand side, you'll see Pages, and there should be a link underneath that called Pages. When I click on the Pages, it shows me a list of all of my pages on the website that are available for me to edit. First one here that I want to edit is the About page. I'm going to click on the Edit link, and that's going to take me to the About page edit screen. I can edit my title if I want, or I can begin by copying and pasting in my information or my formatting content that I created in Microsoft Word. So I want to be in visual mode. There's these 2 tabs at the top. I want to make sure I'm in visual mode. And if you're not seeing the second toolbar below the first toolbar here, you can use this button. It's called Show Hide Kitchen Sink. It just looks like a bunch of little squares. If I click on that, the second toolbar disappears, and if I click on it again, it reappears. So you might see something like this when you come to your edit screen. Simply click on this button, and it should show you the second row of formatting tools. And among them are these 2 great little tools that are going to be so helpful to you in the future when you're copying and pasting text into your website. This one is Paste from Word. We're going to focus on that one today. So I've got my cursor in the position where I want to paste my text. I'm going to go back to my Microsoft Word document. And what I want to do is I want to copy all of this content to my clipboard. So there's a couple ways I can do that. I can I can drag and bring my cursor all the way down to the bottom of the screen. And now that I have all that text highlighted, I can right click and I can choose copy, which will copy it to my clipboard. So let's just go ahead and do that. Or I can also go up to my Edit menu, and I can choose Select All, and then I can go back up again to my Edit menu and choose Copy. There's several ways to copy content to your clipboard. It's a very, very useful tool on both Mac and PC, and I highly recommend that you find out how to do that. Without doing that step, it makes copying and pasting content virtually impossible. So again, go up to the Edit screen, select all, go back up to the Edit screen, and copy. And what that's going to do is it's going to copy all this content to your clipboard, which is sort of a hidden space on your computer. Then we're going to go back to our website because we're ready to paste this content into our website. Now, if we were to just paste it into this box here, the formatting wouldn't be very clean. So we're going to use this Paste from Word tool. And when I click on this button, it brings a new window on top of my screen. And my cursor is already here, and I can again use the right click option to paste, or I can also use Control V as it's suggesting I do here. If you hold down your Control key and then you press V, or on a Mac it's Command and V, and that pastes my content right inside that window, which is what I wanted to do. Another trick is simply to right click and use Paste. Can do that as well. Both will give you the same result. After I have my content pasted in that window, I'm going to use the Insert button, and that is going to paste that content from my Microsoft Word document into my content edit area. And you can see here that it's kept the formatting. It's kept the heading 1, which is bigger, bolder. It's pasted 3 paragraphs of text, which I copied from my Microsoft Word document, and it's also kept my bolding on the second paragraph. So fantastic. This is exactly what we wanted, and let's check out the results. We're going to use the Update button. The Update button is going to save my changes, and it's going to make those changes live on my website. So the page is just refreshing here. And there we go. And if I want to preview my changes, I use the View Page button. So I click on that. For my setup here, it's opened a new tab, and it's brought me to my About page, which is the page I was editing. And now you can see this heading 1 and 3 paragraphs of text and the bolding that it brought over from Microsoft Word. So that's all I did. I went to Microsoft Word, I copied that content using the edit menu, I went back to my website, and I pasted it using the paste from Word, and I used the blue button to update my changes. And I used the View Page button to preview them. And this is exactly what it looks like. And that's all it takes. Thank you. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at blog.wordchamps.tv and use the Your Requests link to paste your questions.